Georgian airport ना और the Tbilisi airport का ना. Hey guys, I am here at the Tbilisi airport and going back to Dubai. So basically the tour came to an end. I had to stay one day in Tbilisi, Georgia, and I explored some of the places and have shown you in the video. I hope you enjoyed that. I did not go farther because I got ill last night. I got temperature, cough, and pain, and different things. So I stayed in my hotel room. So basically, the tour was good, and I showed you that how you can basically visit the different places like the old city, then take the cable car, and some of the historical places are there you can see. But I also saw a bus which takes you for the city tour. I was not aware of that. I forgot that to search about that, but basically I saw that myself in the city. So you can also take a bus tour to the city, and I think that is the best option to explore the city. But again, if you are staying in the city center, then you can simply go by foot or by taking a taxi. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to reach the old city, the area from where you can take the cable car and go to the top of the city, and then you can uh, take a view of the whole city. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this small tour. I just stayed for one day, and I must say that Georgia and especially the Tbilisi city is very very cheap in terms of prices. I mean, you can get a very good meal for only $2 or $3, and it's very cheap city. I mean, everything. Like the hotel I got for $20, and it was very nice, and I mean, three-star hotel rooms. So if you want to know each and every detail of this tour and of any of my other tours, then check out the link of my website in the description of this video. Go to my website and check out all the details including expenses. Thank you for watching.
يمكنكم ربط أحزمة المقاعد تعديلها وفتحها بهذه الطريقة، كما يتعين إبقاؤها مربوطة بشكل غير محكم أثناء جلوسكم خلال الرحلة، بينما يتعين ربطها بإحكام عندما تكون